Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here with day 8 in my 2023 October Daily album. Today I wanted to work with this foundation page that I created earlier for the Traci Reed Designs creative team using the fabulous Haunting collection. And so I had done a witch's hat filled with yummy sequins and layered it onto a transparency for the front. And for the back, I brought in that cut file back into Silhouette and cut out this backing. It's like a backing file or backing cut file using one of the pattern papers from Haunting. And so that's going to be the background for today's story. So the front of the transparency is the number and the cool little art and the sequin shaker pocket, and the back of the transparency is where the story will be housed. And this is a great way to keep up fluid continuity in your album, because you saw day 7 the other day with the spider layout. And then day 9 will come next as a right-hand single page or a flip out or whatever it happens to be. I don't know yet. So the other thing I cut out was the photo of us. And my story for today is, once again, on Sunday, we spent time in the kitchen cooking. That's our weekly tradition on Sunday morning. You can usually find us. We do meal prep and we pre-prepare meals for the week. And so we enjoy doing that, actually, and of course love having the food throughout the week. And so I printed that out in the shape of the brim. And the photo itself is that sort of oval kind of shape, and then I adhered it down so it flips up, and the story itself is underneath the flip up. And so what I thought I would do is I took these labels from one of the journal cards in the Haunting kit and cut them up so that they could be used individually. And I just created a short little list of the things that we had cooked that day. And it happened to be a very fall kind of menu. We did broccoli and cheese soup, and we did roasted butternut squash with pasta and sausage. And then there was something else. Oh yeah, brown apple Betty. And we made it with pears this time, and Alan started calling it brown bear petty instead of brown pear Betty. And so that was kind of tongue-in-cheek, so I listed that as well. Just a couple of things that we've been experimenting with recently, and so I listed those out and then added a few more little notes about it, and then adhered some of the additional embellishments to the page. So I'm liking where that is going, and then I've got a little space above the photo to add a title. And so I think what I'll do here is do a kind of longer title starting at the top of the hat and working down to the photo. And I grabbed these alphas from the Crepe Paper Moonlit Magic collection. And because I'm really digging the black on white, or the black on sort of distressed white, I guess. So I'm not sure exactly what the title is going to say yet, but I'm going to go ahead and start putting down letters. And of course, you know, I started it on my ruler and then put it down, and it still went off the hat. But that's okay. I'm gonna add an exclamation point, and then it'll be equal. But now I have a good feel for how these letters fit on that hat. And so bear with me for a minute. It's gonna say favorite fall dishes. And so something I really liked was how I broke up the word favorite. And it was mainly just to make it fit into that space. But it works out really cute, and I like that. I did just leave the spider like it is. I'm sure that, you know, you could go back and add like another spider embellishment there, but I'm going to leave it like that for now. In the interest of time, I did add the little spectacular banner on the photo there, and so I'm going to add another little pumpkin and a little bit of candy, and then I'm going to call this layout done. Thank you again for watching today and for following along with this journey. I hope you're having a great time. Let me hear from you. Tell me what ideas you've seen that inspire you so far. Thank you again for all your lovely comments and your encouragement and enthusiasm. I will see you back here again very soon. Bye-bye.